Hey there, science fans! Ever wondered what makes up everything around us? It's atoms. These tiny particles are like Lego blocks, combining to create everything we see and touch. There are over 100 different types of atoms called elements. They're organized on a chart called the periodic table, which is like a super organized toolbox for scientists. Learning the first 20 elements is a great starting point for any budding scientist. Trust me, it's not as hard as it looks. Once you know the basics, you'll unlock a whole new understanding of the world. So are you ready to dive into the amazing world of atoms and elements? Let's go! Memorizing the first 20 elements might seem daunting, but don't worry. We'll use a fun mnemonic, a memory trick, to make it a breeze. Imagine you're on a wacky adventure. Harry helpfully lifted Ben's broken coffee nugget over fierce neighbors named Maggie, always singing pop songs clearly around Ken's castle. Each bold word's first letter represents an element symbol. H, hydrogen, He, helium, Li, lithium, and so on. Remember this silly story, and you'll recall the first 20 elements in a snap. Each element has a unique symbol, like a secret code, made of 1 or 2 letters. The first letter is always capitalized, while the second, if present, is lowercase. This is super important. For instance, Co stands for cobalt, a metal used in batteries. But change the case to CO and you get carbon monoxide, a dangerous gas. See? Case sensitivity matters. So remember, capitalize the first letter and keep the second lowercase, if there is one. Atoms have tiny particles called electrons, even smaller than the atom itself. They whiz around the atom's center, called the nucleus, in specific energy levels or shells, like dancers around a stage. The way these electrons are arranged is called the electron configuration. Think of it as an electron's address in the atom. For example, hydrogen, H, has only 1 electron living in the first shell. Helium, He, has 2 electrons, both in the first shell. It's like a tiny apartment building for electrons. Section 5, hydrogen and helium, the lightest duo. Let's meet the first 2 elements. Hydrogen, the smallest and most abundant element, is like the universe's building block. It fuels stars like our sun. Helium, the second lightest element, is known for making balloons float and voices sound funny. It's also found in certain lasers and coolants. These 2 elements, though small, play a big role in our universe and everyday life. Section 6, lithium to neon, from batteries to lights. Moving on, we encounter lithium, a key ingredient in rechargeable batteries that power our phones and laptops. Beryllium helps make strong, lightweight alloys used in airplanes and spacecraft. Carbon is the backbone of life, forming the basis of DNA, proteins, and carbohydrates. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth and is a major component of the air we breathe. Oxygen, vital for our survival, allows us to breathe and fuels combustion. Fluorine is used in toothpaste to strengthen our teeth. And finally, neon, known for its vibrant glow, is used in advertising signs. From batteries to lights, these elements are everywhere. Section 7, sodium to argon, salt fireworks and lasers. Next up is sodium, a common element found in salt which we use to flavor our food. Magnesium helps plants photosynthesize and is used in fireworks for its brilliant white light. Aluminum is lightweight and used in cans, foils, and airplane parts. Silicon is a semiconductor, crucial for making computer chips and electronic devices. Phosphorus is essential for plant growth and is used in matches. Sulfur is used in fertilizers and gives a distinct odor to certain foods. Chlorine is a disinfectant used in swimming pools and drinking water treatment. And lastly, argon, an inert gas, is used in light bulbs and to protect historical artifacts. From salt to lasers, these elements are essential to our daily lives. Section 8, the periodic table, your element guide. Remember our toolbox analogy? That's what the periodic table is. It's organized by increasing atomic number, which is the number of protons in an atom's nucleus. As you move across a row, called a period, the elements gradually change their properties. Elements in the same column, called a group, share similar chemical behaviors. The periodic table is a valuable tool for understanding the elements and their relationships. Section 9, test your element knowledge. Ready to test your newfound knowledge? Try to recall the symbols for the first 20 elements using our mnemonic. Then, try to remember some of their real-life applications. You can even create your own flashcards to practice. Learning about the elements is an exciting journey and you've just taken the first step. Keep exploring and you'll be amazed by the wonders of chemistry.